They say you are what you eat, friends. Today, we're looking like some succulent, juicy smoked chickens. We're doing the taste test today. We got the fire and smoke. We got the Spanglish asadero. Stick around. We're also gonna test out some new gadgets we got. Bringing you two dirty birds today. We got some new gadgets we're testing out. We got the Chica Lica Bam Bam. We got the Chipotle Chicken. We're gonna see which one's better. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. Stick around. I'm gonna show you what's up. All right, setting up a two-zone cook today. We're gonna have the coals here in the front. We're gonna set up our chicken in the back. We're gonna set up a little bit of a drip tray with the aluminum. Check it out. Now it's fire time. We got our cherry wood right here. Do that right in there. And we got our onion. We're gonna clean our grates, then put that right there so it's a nice pleasant aroma. All right, let's go grab our chickens. Oh man, this stuff smells so incredible, you guys. It's been about 20-30 minutes. The meat juice is all redistributed in here. We're gonna go in for a test. Gotta say, I love the Turbo Trusser, very convenient. And this tastes pretty cool too. I forget what it's called, but definitely gonna be using this again. Might use it for some shawarma next time. Oh yeah, nice tasty chicken. That was pretty good. Going flavors. Oh, that's pretty good too. Jeez. They're both really good, but I gotta say, I think I like this fire and smoke a little bit better. But both super good, amazing. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.